been surface fishing all day. Sadly lost one earlier, felt a bigger one as well. Managed just to hook into this one. Been surface fishing about 6 hours now. Yeah, well, had plenty of casts and gone for about 4 or 5 kilo mixes. They haven't really been having it, but when they have been having it, my hook base just been in place, and yeah, managed to get this one. It's been good as gold. Just got some pictures of it. I'm just going to slip it back and probably get ready for the night now. It's about 5-6 o'clock now. Been surface fishing since about 10-11 o'clock. So yeah, I'm going to slip this one back and fingers crossed I might even get another one off the top. Right then, I didn't really introduce the session last night. Got down here yesterday, just before midday, about 11 o'clock, 10 o'clock. There was a few anglers fishing. It was Sunday yesterday, so they were leaving. There was 3 of them. Between them, I think they had 6 fish over 48 hours, which is good in any lake. So yeah, I didn't decide to go on any of their pegs. I just wanted to set up straight away. And I fished the lake once before, made a video on it. I'll put the link in the description. And so yeah, I just set up in this peg, seen a few fish, put a few floaters out, and yeah, straight away they were just taken. Probably fed them for a good over an hour anyway. Just the odd one taken. Then we're having like mad feeding spells, like a couple of minutes on the surface. So I've got the float rod set up, and I actually managed to lose one first couple of casts. There's a lot of weed in the lake at the moment. There's a big weed bed right in front of me, and yeah, I just think I've lost it in that. So got them feeding again. Probably took about an hour and a half, 2 hours getting proper feeding. Done a few casts, but they weren't interested, so scaled the hook and trimmed the pop right down. And yeah, managed to get one. That was the first fish I had. Put the pictures in now. And then yeah, that leads to last night. It was getting dark. The fish weren't really interested in the floaters. My dad managed to lose one on the main lake as well, which ain't really good. But it done one fish the main lake in the last 48 hours, and my dad's had a run, but sadly lost it. So yeah, I had one, lost one first last night. I'm fishing sort of in the margins. I've only got 2 rods out now, just because I've had fish off both rods. And then I managed to get this like sort of koi, like common sort of thing. That one just over 15 and a half. That was a mint fish. I didn't manage to get any footage of that because it was getting dark. I wanted to get the bivvy up. Didn't want to keep the fish out of the water for too long as well. And then last night managed to lose another one in the weed bed on my right hand rod that time. Made another solid bag, put some more scopeback squid out, and yeah, managed to have another one. I didn't weigh it, it was just a common, probably about 15, 16, 17 pound, really long one as well. Got some pictures of that. Probably should have got a bit of footage, but everything was just a rush basically. So yeah, fingers crossed to get one today. I'm going to try and get them on the surface today again, try and get a bit more footage for you. Yeah, hopefully I get one. Right, well I've just had this one, £20 on the dot, little yellow scopeback squid in a solid bag. Just put about half kilo or kilo scopeback squid out, and within about 20 minutes it's gone off. It's a proper old dark mirror, this one. Well happy with this one. I'm going to slip it back, hopefully get a few more. at that. Number 5 now. Only been here about 24 hours. So we've got another 24 hours to go. Yeah, just got some pics of it. I'm gonna wait now, slip it back. Probably put another kilo scopex squid out. So yeah, absolute mint fish. Probably gonna go about £20, something like that. So yeah, I'm gonna give it a quick weigh now, slip it back. Fingers crossed to get a few more. Look at that. Mint fish. Fish, £28.12. Absolutely ripped off. Absolutely buzzing with this one. Couldn't have gone any better. Man, my phone. Gonna slip it back, get some more bait out and hopefully get another one. Get in. Definitely the smallest one on the trip so far. Very angry comments, so I'm going to be quick. My main camera's just going to, well, my main camera has died. So I'm filming on my small camera now, which ain't a problem. I'm going to slip this one back before it absolutely tries to beat me up again. So yeah, it's probably about £12, something like that. I'm going to slip it back, get the rod back out and hopefully get a few more. It's just going to 5:30, so I've still got a bit of time. Yeah, wicked. And again, on the yellow scopex squid. So yeah, slip this one back, hopefully get a few more. Right then, it's just come 9 o'clock. It's come the end of my session now. Seeing them 2 fish I had this morning, I ended up going back to sleep and literally just got up. Yeah, I was knackered. Basically, I was agreeing with the session. Never expected to have as many fish as